India is a nation on the move, constantly evolving and adapting to new challenges and opportunities. With a rapidly expanding economy and a young, dynamic population, the country is poised for a bright future. India is experiencing unprecedented growth, with cities expanding and new industries emerging. This growth brings with it the need for robust infrastructure to support the burgeoning population and economy. India is rising to meet this challenge with a series of ambitious mega-projects, each designed to address specific needs. These game-changing endeavors are transforming the nation's infrastructure and propelling its economy forward at an unprecedented pace. India's commitment to progress is evident in its investment in these mega-projects. From towering bridges to sprawling solar parks, the nation is investing in its future. These projects are reshaping the landscape of the nation, creating new opportunities and driving economic growth. They are not just feats of engineering. They are symbols of India's ambition and its determination to claim its place as a global leader in various sectors. The scale and diversity of India's megaprojects are truly impressive, showcasing the nation's ability to innovate and execute on a grand scale. They span a wide range of sectors, including connectivity, transportation, resource management, sustainability, urban development, and economic growth, each contributing to the nation's progress. Each project is carefully designed to address specific needs and contribute to the overall development of the nation, ensuring a balanced and inclusive growth. As India continues its journey of progress, these mega-projects will play a pivotal role in shaping its destiny, driving innovation and prosperity. They are the building blocks of a brighter future, laying the foundation for sustainable development and economic resilience. A future where India stands tall as a beacon of growth, innovation, and prosperity, inspiring the world with its achievements. Connectivity is the backbone of any modern economy, serving as the lifeline that keeps the wheels of progress turning. India is making significant strides in this area, with a series of ambitious infrastructure projects that are set to transform the landscape of the nation. Mega-projects like the Chenab Bridge and the Zojila Tunnel are breaking new ground, literally and figuratively, showcasing India's engineering prowess and determination. These projects are not just connecting different parts of the country, they are bridging divides and fostering unity, bringing people closer together and creating new opportunities for growth. The Chenab Bridge, set to become the world's highest railway bridge upon its completion, is an engineering marvel that stands as a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. Towering over the Chenab River, it will connect the Kashmir Valley to the rest of India by rail, enhancing connectivity and boosting tourism and trade, thereby contributing to the region's economic development. Similarly, the Zojila Tunnel, the world's longest high-altitude tunnel, will provide all-weather connectivity between Srinagar and Leh, ensuring the smooth movement of goods and people, even during harsh winter months, which often isolate these regions. In Mumbai, the bustling financial capital of India, mega-projects like the Mumbai Coastal Road Project and the Mumbai Trans-Harbour Link are easing traffic congestion and improving the quality of life for millions of citizens, making daily commutes faster and more efficient. The Mumbai Metro Expansion Project, with its network of new lines, is transforming the city's public transport system, making it more efficient and accessible and reducing the city's carbon footprint by encouraging the use of public transport. And then there's the Mumbai-Ahmedabad High-Speed Rail, a project that embodies India's ambition to embrace cutting-edge technology and modernize its transportation infrastructure. This high-speed rail corridor, using Japan's Shinkansen technology, will reduce travel time between the two major cities to just 2 hours, revolutionizing business travel and giving a significant boost to the economy, fostering closer economic ties and regional development. As India grows, so does its demand for energy and resources. the rapid urbanization and industrialization have led to an increased need for sustainable solutions to meet the country's energy requirements. To meet this growing demand sustainably, India is investing in mega-projects that harness the power of nature and promote clean energy. These projects are not only innovative, but also crucial for reducing the carbon footprint and ensuring a healthier future. The Sardar Sarovar Dam and the Dholara Solar Park are prime examples of India's commitment to resource management and sustainability. These projects symbolize the nation's dedication to balancing development with ecological preservation. The Sardar Sarovar Dam, a colossal structure on the Narmada River, is a testament to India's engineering prowess. It stands as a beacon of hope for regions that have long suffered from water scarcity. It provides irrigation to millions of hectares of farmland, bringing prosperity to farmers and ensuring food security for the nation. The dam's irrigation capabilities have transformed arid lands into fertile fields, boosting agricultural productivity. The dam also generates hydroelectric power, providing clean energy to millions of homes. This renewable energy source is vital for reducing reliance on fossil fuels and cutting down greenhouse gas emissions. The Dholara Solar Park, on the other hand, is a shining beacon of India's renewable energy ambitions. Envisioned as the world's largest solar park, it will generate thousands of megawatts of clean energy, reducing India's dependence on fossil fuels and mitigating the effects of climate change. The park's vast expanse of solar panels capture the sun's energy, converting it into electricity for millions. This project is not just about generating energy, it's about creating a greener and more sustainable future for generations to come. It aims to foster a culture of environmental responsibility and awareness among the community. These mega-projects are a clear indication that India is not just focusing on economic growth, but is also prioritizing environmental sustainability. They highlight the country's strategic approach to integrating green technologies into its development plans. They demonstrate India's commitment to responsible development, where progress goes hand in hand with the preservation of the environment. These initiatives are paving the way for a future where economic and environmental goals are aligned. They are investments in a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable future for all. By embracing renewable energy and sustainable practices, India is setting an example for the world to follow. As India marches towards the future, it envisions cities that are not just larger but smarter and more sustainable. These cities are designed to handle the growing population while ensuring a high quality of life for their residents. From world-class infrastructure to cutting-edge technology, the cities of tomorrow are being built today, promising a brighter and more efficient future for all. India's mega-projects are the engines driving its economic growth. These ambitious undertakings, ranging from massive transportation networks to advanced energy solutions, are reshaping the country's landscape. Each project brings with it new opportunities, jobs, and a boost to the local economy. By investing in these grand ventures, India is paving the way for a prosperous and dynamic future. While the vision is grand, the path to progress is fraught with challenges. From logistical hurdles to environmental concerns, each mega project faces its own set of obstacles. Yet, with innovation and determination, these challenges are being met head-on. India's ability to overcome these difficulties will determine the success of its ambitious plans and its place on the global stage. Looking ahead, India's mega-projects hold the promise of transforming the nation. They symbolize progress, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. As these projects come to fruition, they will not only redefine India's infrastructure, but also its identity as a global powerhouse. The future is bright, and India's journey towards it is nothing short of inspiring.